What's up, gadget? Welcome to my channel. Guys, if you are not subscribed yet to my channel, just click the red button there and click the bell notification for you to get notified for the new uploads. And today, I'm going to unbox something very useful here. Everyone needs it. It's very useful in the kitchen, especially to those who are always cooking. Is really useful for everyone at home, right? So now, here is the one that I'm going to unbox. This one, guys. And I already have this. I bought this already a month ago. And I'm just have to unbox right now. Ngayon ko lang i-unbox kasi wala akong time really. I don't have much time to unbox anything here. And this one is really my wish. What I want is this kind of blender. This is a blender actually, guys. This is not a brand, a very durable. It's not a well-known brand. I guess this is new to me. This one is CLIKON. It's CLIKON. And it's already 4-in-1. There is a juicer there. There is a juicer and a blender and a mincer and grinder. So 4-in-1 ito, guys. So this is really very interesting and exciting to unbox. Kasi nga, gusto ko tong ganitong klase. 4-in-1 talaga siya. Actually, there's a lot of blender there, but it's not 4-in-1. Meron lang siya isang it's a blender only. So now we have to unbox this one, guys, and I'm sure you're gonna enjoy this one. I hope you're gonna enjoy the unboxing with me. One will be here. So bubuksan na natin, guys. Nabili ko to kasi yes, 80 real lang siya. May discount na siya. Before, Before it cost like 180, half the price. 160. Kasi hindi ako bumili ito. Binili lang ito yung kasama ko sa work. So, since long time, I really want this kind of blender. Mura na siya, diba? 80 real lang. Unbox na natin siya, guys. Gusto natin. It's 4-in-1. Kaya lang itsura niya, guys. Blender, mixer, and grinder. Turbo, electron, polish, stainless steel blades. Specially designed blade for chopping. 500 watts motor daw siya. So, let's see if this is really durable. It's going to take longer to use. Yes. Ayan na po, inuwan siya. Tinanggal ko na lahat. Automatic overload and overheat cut-off. Ayan siya. Wet and dry grinding. User jar coverage systems, leads, automatic locking system. Wow, so ganun pala siya. This is not, usually the unboxing that is done is gadgets, diba, guys? But for me, it's for the kitchen. So you can see, galing. So ganito natin siya para makita nyo. There's the upper part, of course, protection yan. And ito, meron siyang dito. Wow! So, ayan siya, guys. This is the mincer, guys. So, cute lang siya. This is the mincer. Ayan nga. And that's right. This is the mincer. This is a fiberglass, guys. The blender. Yes, the blender. Diba? Ganun. Wow. Ganun pala ang pag-open. So, you have to just click ganyan pala siya. Turn the lid. Ito yung sarado ng blender. Yan. Yes. Yan. Meron siya palang grinder to guys. So, ow! Yan. Meat grinder, di ba? Yan ang meat grinder. What about this one? Ano to? Ito yung pinaka-main motor niya. Hi, Benji. Ito ba ang basag ng mga and then, nabahati natin ito. Ay! Mahulog siya guys. Ito yung sabi pala niya. Food processor. It's kind of like processor. It's a food processor, guys. So, ayan siya. Dito muna siya, guys. And this one here. Ito ang kanyang warranty card. CLIKON 4-in-1 juicer, blender, mixer, and grinder. This is not a Molinex, guys. Kasi ang uso dito Molinex. So, this one is the motor here. So, you can see, this is the motor here. Ayan. O, diba? May adjustment. So, ganyan siya guys. Kaso lang 3-way ang kanyang saksakan. It's 3-way guys. Babasahin lang natin ito. Nandiyan naman ang instructions. Then we're gonna set it up and try it, okay? So guys, I have to read it first before I have to set it up. Otherwise, baka masisira natin siya kung hindi natin basahin muna kung paano siya i-operate. Right, guys? So let me do the reading and we're gonna set it later, okay? So here it is.
Open natin. And that's the cover. What is this? This is actually the ano ito? Ito yung pushing bar. Pushing bar ito guys. It's a pushing bar. It's a pushing bar there. Yan, pushing bar siya. Pag nagjujuice ka, gaganon mo siya. Kasi juicer yun.
Okay guys, I hope you enjoy. And for sure, this is recommended blender for anyone. It's really nice guys. But the thing is, since this is a plastic, it's a fiberglass, so you don't need to put the hat there para ma-maintain yung ano niya, yung glass. Otherwise, kung mainit yung ilalagay nyo, magbabakbak yan. So, I'm sure this will be a good, very useful. May magagawa, may magagamit na ako. And we'll see you next vlog guys. Thank you for watching. And I hope next time, bili na kayo kasi ngayon 80 real lang siya, then 139 na daw siya ngayon. So it's a real, very big difference, diba? From 80 to 139 na ngayon. And I'm recommending you to buy this kind of, kung may pera naman kayo, then you can buy the most durable one rather than this one. But this one for everyday use, or kung yung ano lang ba, yung pang ano nyo lang, pang katulad dito pang vlog, then you can use it. Then you can buy it. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you again on my next vlog. Bye!